The drop was so chaotic. It was like the Coach Hunger Games. Coach, now y'all know y'all got to do better because you had people in there about to start scrapping. Come on now.
Music when you speak, you're so unique. That's what you are.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yushika, but all my internet friends call me Yunique. And today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of the new release that dropped today. And we're also going to be doing an unboxing of the items that I was lucky enough to get. And if you're interested in that, please stick around. And as always, if I pass the vibe check and you're catching a vibe over here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard, oh my. Luxury. We come so far, oh luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds. Luxury. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. I work too hard, oh my. We come so far, oh cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah. La 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 lux. Takers and givers, I've been called the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I Usually give away my best, but get into this reset. Get into this reset. Get into this reset. Take a skill for stopping, called the ladder. Get into this reset. Yeah. I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. She blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. Blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah. Peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. Blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Reset. It ain't nothing. No, we on a new vibe. Blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Reset.
Now let me just chit chat a little bit, because it was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. Coach, they did way too much. Like, I don't know what's going on, who was in control of keeping things organized and running smoothly, but they dropped the ball, because I woke up at 2 a.m., got online, and I was like, okay, waiting, because it takes some time for them to put the items online. So then when they finally put the items online, they of course were at the higher price. So I knew exactly what I wanted online. So I went immediately to start trying to type it up. It was having troubles pulling up the items. Then when I was able to find what I wanted, I put it in my bag. Then I kept trying to refresh. The website kept crashing, kicking me off, saying website is unavailable and all of this crazy stuff. So I kept having to refresh, try to log back in. log back into my account, make sure the things were still in my cart. Then it took forever for the prices to drop. Not to mention there were some items that I never even saw online. So I don't know what the deal was with that, but I'm like, okay, whatever. So finally I was able to refresh and get the items that I wanted online ordered. And I was like, okay, cool. So then after that, I was like, you know what? I'm not even going to try anymore. I'll just wait till the morning and I'll just do a little walk around because I wanted to see some of the items in person to see, hey, did I want them or did I want to pass on everything else? Got to the store right before it opened. Of course, there was a line. And I'm like, okay, it's a line. Okay, I don't have a problem waiting. So I waited like 5 minutes. In the line, the girls were chit-chatting, talking about how people were saying that the store was doing sending pay by links while we were standing in line. So people were getting upset and they finally opened the door. You know, everybody's trying to be, you know, get in the store. We get in the store. Y'all, let me tell y'all why this lady go up to the sales associate that opened the door. And me being nosy, I missed the item that I want to be nosy. But why? She was all like, that lady pushed me as soon as the door opened, trying to almost push me down, trying to get in. You didn't see that? And so I'm being nosy and I'm looking like, what? So the sales associate is like, I'm sorry, I was just trying to open the door. I didn't see any of that. And I'm thinking in my head, girl, these are sales associates. They are not police officers. They are not security guards. Girl, if you don't just get in here, get your items and get going, because look, we don't got time for all of that. Like, it was crazy. So, anywho, now we're going to jump right in to see what I was able to pick up in the stores today. This has the powder pink signature print canvas, as well as the tan leather on the side. So I think that's cute. And it's not too much of the tan leather. It's just a little bit. So I think that works out perfectly. And it's really cute. The next item I was able to pick up in store, zip wallet. It's so cute. It opens up and it's this really pretty mauve color on the inside. And it has this detachable tan leather strap that I can take off, which I probably won't wear too much with the strap, but it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm loving this pink color. It's really cute. So that's the second thing I was able to snag in the store. Really cutesy, really cutesy. And the final thing that I was able to get in the Coach outlet was this right here. Was the Coach Claire. I was so excited. Online, when I saw it online, I was like, yeah, no. Because I was just like, oh, it's probably going to have all that tan leather all over it. But when I saw it in person, I was like, yes, this is so me. It did not have a lot of the tan leather. And that's one of the things I did not want, a lot of the tan leather on the pieces that I chose. So I thought this worked out perfectly. It has a gold hang tag as well as a charm. This is how it looks if I just wanted to wear it as like a clutch. I could wear it like a clutch like this and have the gold hanging down. Or I can take this out. This is the strap. And it has just a little bit of the tan leather on the strap. And I can wear it crossbody. I can wear it crossbody. Or I can wear it as a shoulder bag. So I thought this will work out perfectly. This is everything that I got from the outlet. And I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of this. So it has feels like microfiber or something, like the camel color microfiber in the inside. It has the one pocket with the Coach Creed on the inside as well. It has a zip pocket right here that you can probably fit a lot of things. It has the paracord on the inside. And then it has another pocket. And then on the outside, it also has an extra pocket so that if I wanted to put, like, this is my cell phone case. If I wanted to place my cell phone in here, I can do that as well. Retail for $2.19. Now, the only thing that I'm a little worried about, I probably should have got the Snap wallet instead, because I had put this against this and I was like, oh, okay, it'll fit. But I didn't take into account that it was going to take up a lot of space. So let me show you how it looks with this in there. So if I wanted to put my cell phone on the inside, I could either put it in this pocket or, I mean, it's not too bad because this is where my cell phone, if I wanted to put the cell phone on the inside, or I also could put the cell phone in the back pocket on the back right here as well. I could also do that if needed, but this is how that would look with the wallet in there, or I can just do it like that, and I still would have room for my car keys, AirPods, lip gloss, and some other things. So I still would have some room, so I think that will work. So let me show you all what it looks like all put together. So really pretty, really cutesy. I'm really liking the shades of pink. I didn't get anything from the powder pink collection from last year, so I'm super excited to have gotten my hands on at least something from the powder pink collection this year. And I think this was a great choice for me with the Claire. The next items that I got, I went to the retail and looked around, saw all the cute things they had. They had their powder pink drop as well, and I picked up something. So let's go ahead and open it and see what I got from the retail. So this I've been eyeing for a while, and I finally grabbed it. So let's see what I got. I got the candy charm from the Coach Retail. I thought that would look so cute on the items that I purchased from the powder pink collection. And this is how it looks on this bag. Let me show you guys what it'll look like on the bag. It looks so cute. However, the gold is a little different because the outlet golds are like really gold tone and the retail golds are brass. So it looks a little off, but it doesn't look bad. So I think it's doable. It's definitely doable. So how do you all think this looks? Let me know. What do you guys think? Does it look cute? Is the candy charm, does it set it off? Is it like, ooh, really cute? All right, y'all. That's all I got from release day inside of the store. I do have some items that are coming in the mail that I got online. So let me know what items you purchased or was able to pick up either online or in the store. Were you able to get anything? Did you get online? What do you think about this drop? Like, do you think Coach dropped the ball? Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough and the unboxing of what I was. Consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, peace, love, and blessings. And always remember to stay uniquely you.
Unique. I'm one of one. I'm number one. I'm the only one.